it is our day. Oh, yes. Do you guys see that shit? Woohoo!
You dare!
He's such a good bluff catcher, but it was his time and he just feels really strong. But he wasn't.
Do you want to make money playing poker, but you don't know how to start with it? We, the Academy of Poker, have the perfect solution for you. We are offering you an exclusive poker course that will show you the basics and intermediate things about poker. Therefore, we give you group lessons, individual lessons with one of our coaches, and charts that will help you to know what to do pre and post flop. Also, we will give you a working HUD for your holder manager or poker tracker, whatever you need, to make it easier for you to become profitable in poker. All you have to do for that is click the link in the description below now and start the poker journey right away.
But we, that's where, like, strategically, that's where I want to be, spending most of my energy. So we haven't put up, like, I haven't been super focused on, like, having people create tons of videos and banging that out in the same degree because we've been focused on something else. All right, so, I mean, we're 5xing with queens. That seems like beyond standard. Obviously, we could just jam. That's an option. Come on, Dr. Awesome, just drop it. That's good. I mean, hopefully it's not aces, but that's a good answer. Cool. Oh my goodness, today is not our day. Oh, it is our day. Oh, yes. Do you guys see that shit? Woohoo!
Come on, guys. Put the pressure on before. Let's hope he finds the 4-bet jam. Pocket jacks, no luck, my friend. 2 of the money in the 530. He's all in, guys. Come on the bubble here with kings in the 530. Oh, what a huge pot. 40 big blinds, 80 big blind pot in the middle, $250 on the line. Don't you dare!
It was definitely close. I don't think I get to fold this one. I have to fucking get my shit together and kick this guy's ass though. I can't fucking do this like this. That's how fucking tired I am. I'm fucking mad up too. It actually feels like with his timing that he's really strong. This is such a good bluff catcher, but with his timing he just feels really strong. But he wasn't. But he wasn't.
So this can get pretty interesting quite sometimes. Yeah, so he check called flop and turn and now snap shoves the river. The things he's like, I don't know, he can have, of course he can have some hearts. Could be the case sometimes. A lot of times it's a scary card, so they're just bluffing that quite often. It can be some aces where he thinks he's good, so I don't think I can fold here. Yeah, so he called with the gut shot and just got there on the river.